Fucking caffeine, guys, caffeine. I'm going to be competing. Half a kg of prawn right here, as you guys can see here. Here's my dog as well, as you can see him. Andre Huberman podcast, the Huberman Lab podcast. Guys, this TV series is actually really amazing. I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and check it out. Good morning, guys. So here we are again, and this time it's going to be a full day of eating vlog again. But yeah, it's on prep, it's my shredding series. And I'm super excited for this because I made a few announcements in the previous video. And if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I would definitely recommend that you first go and check it out because I made a few announcements in the video. So first one was, guys, I'm going to be competing and I'm going to leave it to that. I'll put the card right up here or here somewhere. You should definitely go and check out that video. So guys, yeah. So I'm super excited because I am actually getting to show what I am going to be eating on my prep. And because today is a high carb day and today unfortunately I wasn't able to get the chicken because the chicken shops are actually closed. So we are going to go with only one source of protein today, that is going to be the prawns. And because I've been dieting for the past like 6 to 7 days right now, today is my high carb day, so I actually get to show you guys what I eat on my high carb days. So without further wasting your time, guys, first meal that I always consume it's not actually a meal, but yeah. So first things first that I'm going to be consuming right now is going to be fucking caffeine, guys, caffeine. Yeah, that is what gets me amped up. All of those videos that you have seen me with super high energy, that was because of caffeine. So yeah. Now I'll see you guys while making the caffeine. So guys, first things first that we are going to be having here is a cup of coffee. So we are going to be having a little bit of coffee. And yeah, so something that I wanted to explain here was I wasn't that interested in showing you the coffee, but I wanted to explain you guys something because it's a high carb day. Generally and usually we are having somewhere around like 4 meals a day. So yeah, this is something that I've been applying during the prep. So up till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, I don't eat anything, and that is where I usually start eating. I'm not exactly fasting, but the reason why I'm doing that is because I get super hungry if I eat very early on in the morning, so I don't like that feeling. So yeah, I kind of like to be more full. So yeah, that is why I'm going to be having a cup of coffee. Now we are going to keep it in whatever mode it is called, and yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, usually this is going to be my first thing that I do during the day. It's usually a cup of coffee. As you guys can see here, this is the cup of coffee that I drink. And I'll usually read a book to go along with it because yeah, you have the highest level of neuroplasticity during the morning and you shouldn't waste it. But without wasting any this is the book that I've been reading currently, Power by Robert Greene. So yeah, without wasting any further of your time, I'll see you guys in my next meal. So yeah, guys, moving on to my second and third meal. So yeah, because today is a high carb day, we are going to go back to the OGs. That is going to be 3 fucking chapatis, and we have some rice with us here as well, and we have around half a kg of prawn right here, as you guys can see here. Guys, this tastes so fucking beautiful that if you haven't already tried it, definitely go ahead and try it. So the things that we added into this prawn was like what? Boatloads of tomatoes. There were like 3 tomatoes in this, and we added a bunch of spices. So yeah, the whole holy grail, because I did not make it, my mother actually made it for me. I did not actually make it, guys. So yeah, I would like to make that clear. First things first. Here's my dog as well, as you can see him. He's here to have some food with me as well. So yeah, so this is going to be the second and third meal for me, guys. So yeah, in the first meal I'm going to be having 3 chapatis with these prawns. these amazing ass fucking prawns. And obviously guys, yeah, one thing that I would like to make clear was I will post all of the calories that I am going to be consuming throughout the day right here, when besides the meal right here, somewhere here. So yeah, so you guys won't have to worry about that, because even the calories will be posted so that you guys can actually follow this along if you are trying to shred down, if you are trying to cut down. So yeah, the other thing that I'm going to be having in the next meal, so this is going to be my first and second meal. So first meal, it's going to be a boatloads of not boatloads of chapati, 3 chapatis, and this is 300 grams of rice right here, and this is around half a kg of prawn. So I'm going to be actually dividing it. So I'm going to be having half of prawns right now with my chapatis, and in the next meal half of prawns with my rice. So I actually added both these meals right here because I didn't want to actually repeat it and bore you guys. So yeah, I actually also wanted to discuss something. What type of TV series or something like that, what is it that you watch during your meal times? I've been watching this Seinfeld. It's really funny. Definitely go ahead and check it out. I'll show you some of it. Guys, this TV series is actually really amazing. I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and check it out. And also comment down in the comment section below. What you guys think, the kind of TV series that you enjoy. I am usually a guy who likes to watch funny TV series. So comment down in the comment section below what kind of funny TV series is that you are into. With that being said, without wasting any further of your time, I'm going to see you guys back in the next meal. So yeah guys, because this is a high carb day and I'm treating myself to more carbs and fats today, I'm not going to be hiring up my protein. Otherwise my third meal would have been bit of protein filled, but currently all I'm going to have for my third meal is going to be a packet of chips. This is something I do not recommend you eat, but because I was craving it so much and because I've been on so low calories for the past 6 days, I thought I'd treat myself to one. And yeah, I'm going to have a fruit for my third meal. Yeah, fructose does not fuck you up, so do not worry about that. So yeah, for the third meal, the only 2 things that I'm going to be having, this is going to be kind of my snack meal: a packet of chips, the OG Lay's American style cream and onion flavor one, and the what is this called, a Mosambi. So yeah, these are the 2 things that I'm going to be having for my third meal. And with that being said guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my final meal. Until then, maybe, yeah, so yeah, I'll also look a bit better for my final meal because I'm going to get this shaved. So yeah, I'm going to look much better for my final meal. And yeah, during my third meal, one of the things that I usually do is, and has helped me out massively, is I watch podcasts. Currently I'm watching this Andrew Huberman podcast, the Huberman Lab podcast. This podcast is amazing guys, and Andrew Huberman is amazing. If you want to learn about brain science, brain neurology and everything like that, definitely go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys in my final meal. So yeah guys, moving on to the last meal of the day, that is going to be 60 grams of oats. I have a cup of milk here and a scoop of protein. And yeah, that is it. Like, that is the only thing I'm going to be having tonight because I've had loads of carbs prior to it. So yeah, this is going to be my final meal of the day, and I'm starving right now. So without wasting any further time, I'm going to get to this meal. And yeah guys, to make it a bit more sweeter, I've been using this Hershey's syrup. Actually, it makes a night and day difference in how good this tastes. So if you are not using it, use around 20 to 30 grams of it. It won't harm you as much. And yeah, so with that being said guys, I am going to be ending my video right here. If you guys actually enjoyed this video, once again, show some love by liking this video. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, have a nice day guys. Ciao.